Imagine pressing one button and seconds later getting 37 of the world's most intelligent AI models working for you. Not only picking the best AI model for your task, but also combining it with other top models for the best results on the planet. Sounds impossible? Not with EveryModel AI. Here's what changed in 2026. AI stopped being a one-horse race. Overnight, the field cracked wide open, and now dozens of elite models are fighting for the top spot, each one a specialist in its own lane. The part nobody's telling you, every AI model has a superpower. One writes copy so human it converts like crazy. Another outthinks everything else on complex creative work. One blitzes through multimodal tasks and instant answers. One is a coding and reasoning machine. One digs deep into research and long-form analysis. One pulls real-time knowledge straight from the web. So, which one do you pick? Wrong question. That's the trap. Betting on a single AI means leaving performance and profit on the table. The people actually winning with AI right now aren't loyal to one model. They're running all of them, picking the best tool for every single task. The shift has already started. Smart users are walking away from single AI subscriptions and building multimodal workflows instead, because juggling tools isn't the hard part anymore. Paying for just one is. Pay every provider separately, and here's the bill you're looking at. $20 to $200 a month for ChatGPT, $30 to $300 a month for Grok, $20 to $200 a month for Claude, $20 to $250 a month for Gemini, plus whatever DeepL, Qwen, Kimi, Llama, Stable Diffusion, and the rest charge on top.
And it never stops. Every new model release means another upgrade, another price hike, or another wall you hit on the cheap tier. Add it up, and you're staring down $500 to $1,000 plus every single month just to stay current. So we built something different. Instead of 37 separate bills to 37 separate providers, what if one dashboard gave you all of them? No juggling logins, no stacking subscriptions, no monthly fee at all. EveryModel AI works in 3 simple steps. Step 1, log into the members area from any device. Step 2, choose anyone from the 37 top AI models. Step 3, get results in seconds. That's it. 0 monthly fees, 0 limits, 0 hassle. Of course, you're fully protected with our 30-day money-back guarantee. Grab it right now, use it for 30 days, and if you don't absolutely love it, we'll send you a full refund, no questions asked. Beta users are already clearing 6 figures with this exact model before the public even had access. But here's the catch, doors are closing very soon. This isn't scarcity for effect. Access to EveryModel AI is genuinely limited, and software like this doesn't come around often, maybe once a year, if that. Early bird pricing is live right now. This is your shot to own a piece of the nearly $1 trillion a year AI industry, without the overhead, the inventory, or the guesswork. EveryModel AI hands an entire done-for-you business in a box to you, minus the chaos. Remember, you have to hurry. The one-time price is limited to the initial launch only. So don't wait for the price increase. Right now, you can snatch it for less than what a cup of coffee costs. You're just minutes away from finally being able to make it online. Click the Buy Now button below and let's connect personally on the next page.